Imagine a futuristic place that feels like stepping into the world of tomorrow. A place where innovation meets nature, creativity flows endlessly, and the world's most iconic gadgets come to life. Welcome to Apple headquarters, the beating heart of a $3 trillion empire. But what secrets lie behind these pristine glass walls? Let's take a journey inside. Nicknamed the spaceship, Apple Park is a marvel of modern architecture. This $5 billion campus, nestled in Cupertino, California, is more than just an office. It's a statement. The ring-shaped building spans 175 acres, surrounded by over 9,000 drought-resistant trees, hand-picked to reflect Steve Jobs' vision of blending technology with nature. Step inside, and you're greeted by a futuristic yet inviting space. The walls? All glass. The floors? Polished concrete that echoes the minimalist aesthetic Apple is famous for. Employees here don't just work. They innovate, brainstorm, and collaborate in an environment designed to spark creativity. At the heart of Apple Park lies the Atrium, a central hub buzzing with energy, ideas, and the quiet hum of innovation. Just a short walk away is the Steve Jobs Theatre underground auditorium. This is where Apple's iconic product launches happen, from the iPhone to the revolutionary M1 chip. Every detail here, down to the seamless joints in the glass walls, reflects Apple's obsession with perfection. Behind closed doors, Apple's research and development labs are where the magic happens. With an annual R&D budget of over $27 billion, these labs are a playground for some of the brightest minds in the world. From refining the latest iPhone to experimenting with augmented reality, this is where the future is being built. Apple Park isn't just a tech haven, it's a symbol of sustainability. Powered entirely by renewable energy, the campus is a zero-waste facility. Even the cafe serves organic, locally sourced meals, reflecting Apple's commitment to a greener planet. For the 12,000 employees who work here, Apple Park isn't just an office, it's a lifestyle. On-campus gyms, wellness centers, and walking trails through the forested campus ensure that innovation doesn't come at the cost of well-being. One of the most secretive spaces in Apple Park is the design studio. Shrouded in mystery, this is where Apple's iconic products take shape. From the iPod to the iPhone, every curve, material, and feature is meticulously crafted here under top-secret conditions. Apple Park isn't just a headquarters, it's a masterpiece, a perfect blend of form, function, and philosophy. It's a space designed not just to house employees, but to inspire them to create the future. If you've ever been fascinated by Apple's innovation, now you know where it all begins. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. What other secrets do you think are hidden within these walls? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the world's most innovative companies.